Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will learn how to download and install Pycharm and computer. Okay, Pycharm is an integrated development environment. Pycharm used for Python programming language. In Pycharm we can to run Python programs and we can to create Python application. Okay, now just open your favorite browser and just type out Pycharm. Okay, and press enter. Okay, you will get this page. In the next step, just click on Pycharm Community Edition. Okay, just click on this link and you will get this page. And the next step, okay, the first one Pycharm Community Edition and the second one Pycharm Pro Edition. Okay, now just come down and just select this one. Okay, this is free for now. Okay, and just click on download option. You will get this page and also come down, just select Pycharm Community Edition and press enter buttons. Okay, thank you for downloading Pycharm. Your download will be start now. If not started, just click here. Okay, download started. When this download completed, I will come back. And now download completed. This is Pycharm. Just click on show on folder. This is software of Pycharm community. Now double click on this software. Okay, now we will get a new page. Okay, do you want to run this file? Yes. Click and run. Please wait while step running. Select yes and just click on next. Select destination folder. Okay, I will leave by default. Select okay, and after this just click on next and click on install. Installation will be complete third party. Now just wait some time. Now I want to stop recording when this installation completed. I will come back. Installation completed. Just select this option, run Pycharm. After finishing, Pycharm will be run now on this computer. Okay, this is Pycharm Community 2023 edition. Select I confirm this and just continue. Don't send. Sorry for that. Python community, Pycharm, sorry. And now just start using a Pycharm. Here you can to create or run Python programs, and here you can to create application, web application, desktop application, mobile application, everything